planning to do an MBA in finance because you want a guaranteed high paying job, say like a 20-25 lakh ka package, but do you always get a high paying job by doing an MBA in finance? Let's find out. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my views on MBA or MBA in finance particularly, because I've seen a lot of people tell me that, I don't want to do CFA, I don't want to do CA, I want to do MBA only because मुझे बाद में वो जॉब ढूंढने की स्ट्रगल नहीं चाहिए. MBA के साथ वो स्ट्रगल निकल जाती है. मैं सीधा प्लेसमेंट में मस्त 20 लाख पैकेज लेके जाऊंगा. And I want to tell you whether it's true or false. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so first of all, why do people think that MBAs will give them a guaranteed high paying job? Because unlike competitive exams like CFA, MBA में क्या होता है, you have a placement cell, which basically means आपके कॉलेज में कंपनीज आती हैं specifically looking out for a role. Now, how is this helpful? वो सेम चीज़ LinkedIn पे भी डाल रही है. जब वो LinkedIn पे डालता है, there are 10,000, 20,000, almost lakh of people who are applying for the same role. Chances are they won't see your profile. Now, what is the chances when they come to your college, they know that, okay, I'm coming to this particular college. I know कि ये बच्चे ये कर रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी 3-4 बॉक्सेस ये टिक कर चुके हैं. एंड दे आर स्पेसिफिकली लुकिंग एट अ स्मॉलर बंच, राइट. आपके कॉलेज के जो 1,000-2,000 का वो बैच है, दे आर ओनली लुकिंग एट देम. They have a specific team looking at only you. So you basically are seen faster. At least you are given that fair chance कि भाई मेरा CV देखो. That's why people think कि MBA में मतलब मेरे को जॉब लग जाएगी. Now, how far is this true? First of all, you need to understand that not every MBA college has a brilliant placement cell, right? Some have very, very good placement cells, the tier ones, IIM, all the IIMs, ABC, all of them are brilliant. NMIMS, ये सब अच्छे वाले में आ गए. कौन सा ये जमशेदपुर में भी एक है, I forgot the name. Those are like the top institutes in India. Obviously, they are known for their placement cells. Now, as you go lower, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, placement cells go down, 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 and some are almost non effective. मतलब उनके job packages are same अगर आप एक normal BCom तक पहुंच जाओगे, या a little bit higher, obviously not just not a BCom is not fair to say, but एकदम ही गिर जाता है. There's a reason we say that अगर MBA करना है, aim for a tier 1 college, max tier 2 college. अब मैम, इफ आई नॉट गेटिंग अ tier 1 और tier 2, तो क्या हमें MBA नहीं करना चाहिए? विल वी नॉट गेट अ जॉब? नो सच थिंग. पीपल हु आर गेटिंग इनटू द tier 3, tier 4 college, आप लोगों का majority of you, and I'm saying this because I've had people who've come and told me that I'm just doing an MBA, बट मैं ना कॉलेज नहीं अटेंड करूँगा, मैं MBA नहीं अटेंड करूँगा, वैसे भी tier 4 कॉलेज है तो मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा, मैं साथ में CFA कर दूंगा. डू यू नो, एट जैसे आपने ये बोल दिया, आपके पूरे MBA की वैल्यू खत्म हो गई. द पॉइंट ऑफ डूइंग एन MBA, द रीजन वाई पीपल वांट टू हायर MBAs instead of CFAs or are specifically looking at MBAs is because they know कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम द टेक्निकल स्किल्स आपके सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी बिल्ड हो हैं. जो MBA कॉलेज का सबसे टॉप टीयर पॉइंट वो होता है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बिल्ड करना. मीटिंग विद पीपल, इंटरेक्टिंग विद देम, प्रेजेंटेशंस, असाइनमेंट्स, इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना. क्यों हम बोलते हैं IIM इज द टॉप कैंपस? क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो सब हो रहा होता है. सो व्हेन अ रिक्रूटर इज कमिंग टू IIM अहमदाबाद, ही नोज कि यार ये सारे बच्चे सिर्फ घर पे बैठ के सिर्फ एग्जाम देने नहीं आ रहे हैं. They all are physically present, always active, always interacting. That's the reason they're able to be here, right? They've cleared personal interviews, group discussions. उसके वजह से वो यहाँ आए हैं. And because they've done that, that means उनके soft skills अच्छे हैं. That's why if you're planning to do an MBA, first of all, be as active as possible. तो ही आपके selecting के chances ज़्यादा हैं. Definitely aim for a tier 1, tier 2 college. अगर वो नहीं होता है, then even in a tier 3, tier 4 college, be the best amongst the lot, ताकि जो सबसे high placement आ पा रही है, you can grab that, right? When I say be the best among the lot, participate in everything possible, be as active as possible, be present, right? One thing that I usually tell people to avoid, it's a personal opinion, कि अगर online MBA है, unless you already have years of experience and you just need the qualification and you're getting it from a good college like say an NMIMS, avoid. Doing a MBA in correspondence is almost like a waste. Like I said, very special cases I would say कि हाँ, it's good for you. but otherwise it's not worth. You're wasting your time. You'd rather not do it. I know MBA is very expensive. Some people do the online or correspondence so that they can afford it, but you'd rather not. You'd rather invest that money in a CFA or a competitive exam that is in your budget, because it'll make more sense. I've actually seen in a particular company, it was a real estate company, I remember, where they were hiring for a sales role. I was also part of that team. So I remember कितने बच्चे आए थे, MBA in management, MBA in this, MBA in marketing, MBA in marketing. और इतने मतलब कौन से colleges थे. First of all, हमने shortlist कर दिया, चलो MBA, like okay. And then when we spoke to them, I was like, इस बंदे ने MBA किया, लग ही नहीं रहा, because they didn't have the soft skills. एंड एक बंदा सेलेक्ट हुआ जो पता नहीं कौन से अजीब कॉलेज से MBA करके आया था, can't remember the name, but he worked on himself. He made use of that MBA. So if you want to get those high packages, तो MBA को MBA की तरह ट्रीट करो. Don't just sit in an MBA to give the exam. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. You won't get paid for it. You need to value a course for what it is. MBA is technical skills along with heavy soft skills, human interaction, operations, management. That is the whole point. Management is the core thing in MBA. तो अगर आप वो नहीं करते, and management means how to handle humans also. So please focus on that. If you're doing an MBA to get a high paying job, then this is something you need to keep in mind. Only then will you crack those 20-25 lakh wale packages. I think I've spoken a lot. If you have any more questions on this or want me to make more videos on MBA in finance, also get into a little bit more depth. Abhi to काफी basic मैंने किया है, just to touch base on it. Then let me know in the comment section, and obviously I'll do my best. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.